Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Hair School. And on today's video, we are going to check out this TikTok tutorial that is meant for lots and lots of hair and see if we can make it work on my thin, super fine hair. Okay, so first let's just watch the tutorial together. All right, so she separates it into two sections, does a little twist, a little flip around, some more twisting, and then tucks everything in the clip, spreads it out, and it's such a cute bun twisty look once it's done. I'm really hoping we can make this work. I've legitimately not tried this on my hair before, so I'm going to be seeing if we can figure this style out. Something that I do a lot anyways. I often see tutorials like this and try them out and see if I can make them work for fine hair, and then I make tutorials for you guys, but I don't always show you the process of me learning how to adapt the style to fine hair, so that's what we're going to do today. Or maybe we'll fail miserably because not every style will work if you don't have tons of hair, like this beautiful creator in the video. I've got two claw clips to try. We'll start with this one. I think this is going to be the better clip, but I do have one of my little small flower clips as well. Just depends, we'll see. Just for reference, this one is a pretty short clip. This is more of a standard length clip. The only problem with this one is it's a little tall, so sometimes if your hair is shorter, one that's a little taller can be tricky, and you might need to go for the smaller one, or maybe even this one. So I've got, I guess, technically three options, but I don't really think this will be the right one for this style. So unless I really struggle with the other two, I probably won't try that one, but I think we're going to start with this one. Starts by just clipping the claw clip into her head like that. So make sure you have enough hair so it doesn't fall out. It still doesn't feel super secure, so I wouldn't move my head around too much. Then she takes all of the bottom of her hair and splits it into two sections, and then we're going to twist it on itself once and twice. And then we're going to bring it up around the clip, and this is where the size of the clip might become a problem. So we're going to twist it again once, twice, and then bring it down, tuck it in, so it's kind of just all falling out. I wasn't able to kind of get everything in securely enough. So we're going to try it with the smaller clip. All right, so take a big bite of hair. This one feels definitely more secure because it's smaller, so it's able to more tightly grasp my smaller amount of hair, which I think is important in this style, not ending up loose and falling out like the last one. So then we're going to grab our two sections, twist, twist, bring it up. Now it's going to be harder to bring it up and over this little clip because it's smaller, but we're going to do a couple little twists, bring it down, tuck it. No, I mean, not quite. Let's try one. We're going to give it one more try. This time I'm going to do it with a little bit of a modification that often is necessary when you don't have a ton of hair. I'm going to start with my hair in a ponytail instead of getting the claw clip to do all of the work, if that makes sense. So we're going to start with a ponytail this time, and I know this is going to be different than what the creator did, but sometimes we have to make changes to make it work for our hair type. So let's try this. Ponytail. And I'm using a clear hair tie because I really don't know if it's going to be able to be seen or not. I'm going to go back to this clip, I think, this time. So I'm going to clip it right above the ponytail. I'm going to separate my ponytail, give it two twists, bring it up, give it a couple more twists, stick it in. We're going to go with this clip. So I'm going to clip it right above my ponytail. Two sections. Give it a couple twists. Kind of get it under, bring it up, and give it a couple twists. Bring it down and clip it as securely as possible. It's just really hard to clip your ends in enough unless you have really long hair like her. And that's, I think, the problem here is we're just not getting, I'm not going to do the twist at the top. I'm just going to bring it up. I'm going to bring it down and I'm going to grab the ends that way. No, I just don't think this one's going to work. I think you just need longer hair. And my hair's not that short. It's pretty long, but there's just not really enough hair for the bigger clip to bite, but there's just not really enough length for it. It's just not going to work. So that's just to show you that sometimes, no matter what, even if you're good at hair, you can't always make every style work for thin, fine hair. So that one is a fail, not going to work for our thin, fine hair type, but that's okay because there are tons of other really cute and easy and fun styles on my page that you can go check out and try for your hair type. Don't get discouraged when you see someone who has completely different hair than you. Try something and it look amazing, and then you can't make it look amazing too, because sometimes it's not your fault. Sometimes it's just the type of hair you have and you just have to try something different. I hope that helps. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my content. Leave me a comment letting me know if you have any questions or if there's any videos you would like to see me post. And check me out on my shorts. I post there daily, or TikTok and Instagram, DIY Hair School, across all the platforms. Thanks so much for being here today, guys. Bye.